Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach and therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. So today I just want to quickly talk about two topics. The very first topic is carbohydrates. So a lot of people tend to demonize carbohydrates because they say to themselves, I'm going to cut carbs, or I'm going to not eat as much carbs, because for the most part they believe that when they do cut those carbs or not eat any carbs, they're going to lose weight. The thing is, that is just an unhealthy way to actually lose weight, and it's also unhealthy for you because carbohydrates are your primary fuel source. They're your fuel source that gives you, they give you energy and fuel to your brain, to your central nervous system, to your kidneys, just to name a few of the different systems within your body that carbs are helping with. The thing is, there are actually good and bad carbs. There's complex carbs, simple carbohydrates, and the thing is, in my health webinar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss the different type of carbohydrates that are actually really good for you and give examples of those carbohydrates that you should incorporate into your diet to create a stable amount of energy throughout the day, and to get rid of those mood swings that you're experiencing. Because when your body is not getting the proper nutrients, sometimes you will manifest unwanted symptoms in the form of being in a bad mood, amongst many other different unwanted chronic symptoms. So the thing is, in my health webinar, I'm going to talk about the 6 little known culprits that are creating fatigue within you, that are causing exhaustion, and the fastest ways that you can increase your energy for good. Also, too, those people that attend my webinar live will actually be gifted with a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Recipes. In my ebook, I list out the different ingredients that are beneficial for creating a lot of energy within you. But not only do I talk about the nutritional background of each of those ingredients, I also integrate them into actual recipes that you could use for yourself, that you could apply for yourself. So I believe in actually not just talking about all the nutritional facts, but I want people to actually be able to apply those facts in the form of great tasting, energy boosting food. So that's what I'm going to do for those people that attend live to my webinar. And like I said, I really love helping people, and I really love spreading that wealth of health to those people that are interested in just basically improving their overall health and wellness. And if you have any questions or want to get more details about my health webinar, go to heartfulfoods.com/register. That is heartfulfoods.com/register, where you could read all the details about my health webinar. And if you want, you could actually contact me via my chat box that pops up on my website, where you could send me whatever message. It'll go to my email, and I will respond back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So again, I love helping people, and I love spreading that wealth of health to those people that are interested in just improving their overall health. Again, my name is Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach and therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com. Don't forget to go to my webinar, because you will get that free ebook, and I'm all about sharing that wealth of health. Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach, therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. Peace.